My name is Matthew Douglas. I've been with Hogan Design and Construction for a little over a year now. I started out as a skilled laborer, and I've slowly shifted into more of a carpenter's apprentice role. One of my major hobbies and things that I take a lot of joy and interest in is audio equipment. I got into records and vinyl back at the end of 2010, start of 2011. From there, I've expanded into audio equipment and speakers. My current foray is getting beaten up, broken down speakers, tearing them apart, replacing all the guts, and then trying to refinish the cabinets that they're in and bring them back to life and turn them around and make a decent profit.